This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fluid level checks. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. With the engine at normal operating temperature, start the engine and allow it to idle. On the control display, select Vehicle Info, Vehicle Status, measure engine oil level and start measurement. It takes about 1 minute for the level to be checked. If the Add Oil symbol is displayed, stop the engine and unscrew the oil filler cap. Add a maximum of 1 litre of oil. A funnel may help to reduce spillage. Add the oil slowly and recheck the level. Securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located at the left-hand side of the engine compartment. With the engine completely cold, rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. The coolant level should be up to the max mark, visible in the tank filler neck. If topping up is necessary, add a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Undo the plastic nut, rotate the fasteners 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove the right-hand scuttle cover. The max and min marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe around the filler cap and unscrew it. Add fluid to bring the level to the max mark, then securely refit the filler cap. Only use new fluid from a sealed container. Refit the scuttle cover, then securely tighten the fasteners and the plastic nut. The screen wash reservoir is located at the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Open the filler cap and top up the screen wash reservoir with a mixture of water and screen wash fluid. Don't forget to close the cap. Firmly close the bonnet.